Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. Sally. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
Request acknowledged.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
Tomato. Wow. This is Sheriff. Yeah.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine!
Sheriff. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh my god, it's Smokey. Yeah.
Lesson 1. You're old.
He said you're old
I
and
heard him. You'll never be as fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
It's Smokey. Yeah. Who is that? Ramon. Wow.
Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Ramon. Wow. This is Mac. Wow. This is Mac. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Cool, DJ! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Danica Lightning McQueen! This is Jackson Storm! Wow! Wow! Francesco! Haha! Whoa! It's Clown Car! Wow! Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Danica King! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Miss Frieder! Wow! Oh, this is Red! Wow! This is Mac! Wow! Whoa! This is Chihik's track! Yeah! This is Mac! Wow! Wow! Danica King! Yeah!
You know then, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Oh, this is Red! Wow!
Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
Life could be a dream.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track your speed and your vital signs.
Does it have a phone?
Don't be crazy. Race cars don't have phones.
This is Danica Lightning McQueen! Whoa! It's Clown Car! Wow! This is Miss Frieder! Wow!
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection! Oh, wait.
Whoa! This is Chihik's track! Yeah!
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Kajiga. Say it with me. Kajiga.
Wow! Francesco! Haha!
It's no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama.
Cool! DJ! Yeah!
pretty music.
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Camp here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right?
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ciao! You're gonna fit right in California.
Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah.
Hey, what? What's going on?
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.